What is up, everybody? It is Drake here once again with GSF Financial, showing like-minded individuals like yourself the ATM business and how I'm making my money work for me through passive income. We got a little bit of a special project today. I have 3 brand new Gen Mega ATMs behind me, and I have one more at another location here. Where am I at? Padre Island. Yes, South Padre Island, Texas. One of the local hotel resort owners here picked up some ATMs from me, and I'm helping set them all up to where he can start making some passive income himself. Pardon my glossy haze. It is really humid out here on the island, but we're gonna get some work done. We got Susie over here gonna help out with the install as well. And of course, with passive income, we have to have a little bit of fun as well. So yes, when we get these ATMs set up, and then one more at another hotel resort, we're gonna enjoy the beach as well. But first, we gotta get some work done. So come along, let's get these ATMs set up, programmed, installed, and start making some money. Also, shout out to Best Products and Services. They helped secure these ATMs for me at a heck of a deal. So shout out to you guys. Once again, always top-notch service. So without further ado, let's get this thing going. What's up? So we're now enjoying the beach. As you can see, not too shabby.
My favorite.
Yeah, Susie's favorite is the beach. So of course, we got to spend some time here. We got what we had to do done for now for those ATMs. We're gonna show the hotel how to load the ATMs with some cash and some quick troubleshooting tips for them, because they're essentially gonna be running the ATMs themselves. I'm just gonna be as a backup for severe issues. So I gotta teach them the basics. But yeah, now it's enjoy time. We have the drinks, we have the shots. Thanks to Renee, by the way. Appreciate it, Renee. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this beach. What a trip that was. Wow. All in all taken care of. We were able to get 4 ATMs up and running. All 4 of the machines were brand new, so they had to be set up from start to finish. Everything from the surcharge amounts, plugging in the master keys, adding in the location information that'll print out on the receipt paper, that'll show up on the customer's account. We had to do all that from scratch. Shout out to my wife Susie. She definitely made it a lot easier as she was doing what she had to do, hooking up all the connections, all the power, all the wireless routers. I was going through and was typing in all the sequences, all of the codes, as well as setting up the machine's main computer of that ATM. So it was a little bit of a job. As you saw as well in the hallways, it was excruciatingly hot. Now, out here in Dallas right now, it's about 90, 92. But Padre Island, it's about 85, 86, but it is humid as all hell. So as you saw in the video, we actually had to move locations to get some more airflow going. As we were programming the first couple of machines in that little hallway, it was just way too humid. I couldn't take it anymore. I lost probably 20 pounds just in that day, but then getting it all back, drinking on the beach. It was worth it. All in all, we were able to get everything situated with that ATM, or with all 4 of those ATMs. The 4th ATM was at a different location. It was actually at another resort that is on Padre Island, and I had to travel to that resort and program it as quick as possible because we had to hurry up and get to the beach. So I unfortunately didn't get video of that one, but it was the same type of setup. We had to go from start to finish. Now with that 4th ATM, we did have a little bit of a hiccup with the printer. Now, since all machines were brand new, every once in a while during the travel or the delivery of the ATM, something might come ajar inside of the machine, which is kind of what I think happened. Let me show you guys here real quick what was going on and how the fix was. Now with this machine, it does have directions on how to put in the paper. With it being a new machine, there was pieces of styrofoam and stuff stuck in all over the crevices of the machine. So we had to get them out. Now with the main problem with this printer, actually, we had printed it properly, except it was spitting out a couple feet of receipt paper from the machine, which obviously wasn't needed. So when we tried to test transaction, it printed out, the little receipt, but then added a bunch more of just white paper. Shout out to the groups out there on Facebook. I was able to get some assistance with it. All I had to do was disconnect the power supply from the printer itself, and then I plugged it back in, and then it worked. So all I did here was have to bring down the paper, loop it around here, close this little lever here. Ooh. Let's see if it'll catch. All right. Printed out receipt. Printing. Okay. So we are all set for that. Now with these machines, actually, they were purchased by the owner of the resort, which I mentioned before. But the reason behind it is because the person who actually was running the ATMs at the resort wasn't keeping it full. Several times when I was there actually for work at the resort, the ATM would be out of service, no money in the machine, which is not a good thing, especially when you're at a resort on the beach in South Padre Island. You want cash, you're going to want to go to the ATM, and when you can't, customers were complaining about it to the hotel staff. And unfortunately, the hotel staff had nothing to do with those ATMs. So what did the owner do of the hotel? He said, we don't even need the ATMs anymore. I'm going to buy my own. So that's what he did, and I was able to help him get that all situated. So if you are in the business, make sure your machines are filled up. It can cost you big if you don't keep them filled. Now, we just got back from the beach a couple days ago from this install, and I am dying to go back, so I'm sure we'll be back at some point. And even though me and the wife went there for work on the ATMs, we were able to fit some fun in as well, as you saw. Whenever you're trying to get that work done, also learn to enjoy it. Like I always say, enjoy that day, but keep grinding every day just like it's Monday. Till next time, guys. Later.